In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email signature to Zoho CRM. Having a professional email signature in your CRM is important because it keeps your branding consistent and saves you time when sending emails to leads and customers. Instead of typing out your name, title, and contact details every time, Zoho CRM can automatically attach your signature to outgoing messages. Let's walk through, step by step, how to set this up. First, open your browser and go to your Zoho CRM account. Make sure you're logged in with the correct user profile, since signatures are usually set up per user. Once you're on the main CRM homepage or dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a gear icon, also called the setup icon. Click on this gear icon to open the setup and configuration area of Zoho CRM. After clicking the gear icon, you'll be taken to the settings page. On this page, find the section labeled Channels. Channels is where Zoho groups tools related to communication, such as email, phone, and other messaging options. Go ahead and click on Channels. Within the Channels section, look for the email option. This is where you can control various email-related settings for your CRM. Click on Email to open the email configuration area. Inside the email settings, you should see an option related to compose settings or signatures, along with a button that says Add New Signature. Click on Add New Signature. This will open a window or editor where you can actually create your email signature. Now it's time to add your signature. In the editor, type in the details you want to appear at the bottom of your emails. A simple and effective structure is your full name, job title, company name, and main contact information such as your phone number and website. You can also include a professional sign-off like best regards, followed by your name. Zoho's editor usually allows basic formatting, so you can adjust fonts, add line breaks, and even insert your logo or social media links if needed. Keep it clean, readable, and consistent with your company's branding. Once you're happy with how your signature looks, the final step is to save it. Look for the Save button in the signature window and click on it. After saving, your new email signature will be available for use when composing emails from Zoho CRM.